Welcome to Bridging the Gap sessions. Okay, now we shall come to the exponents and radicals of class 8 or 9, somewhere it is there. Okay, now recall when I write a to the power n, this a is known as base and this is called exponent, or sometimes we call power, sometimes we call index. Okay, and these exponents, they obey some laws known as laws of exponent. What are those? When we multiply with the two numbers with same base, then the powers are added. For division, power subtracted. For multiplication, powers added. For division, power subtracted. And if I take the power a to the power m whole to the power n, the powers are multiplied, a to the power mn. Okay, tell me what is a to the power 0? Yes, is it 1? Can you prove this? It is a question to you. Prove that a to the power 0 is 1 for a is not 0. Okay, if you will be unable to solve, you shall ask me. Okay, now if in case the power become a root, means a to the power 1 by 3, it is root cube hai na nahi? This is known as a radical. This one is an exponent, exponential form. This is a radical form. So root n a is a radical. And this a is known as a radicand. And the symbol is called radical symbol. Do you know root of a b is root a root b? The square root of a by b is root a by root b. Do you know this? Now question is, when these rules will fail? Means in which situation these roots will not work, these rules will not work. That is a question, open question to you. Okay, remember, this formula does not hold good for all numbers a and b. Understood? Now when this value of a radical means a to the power 1 by n or root of a number, this results to an irrational number. And the base is a rational number, then we call this radical as a chord. So what is a chord? It is the irrational root of a rational number. So what is a chord? When we take root of a rational number that gives me an irrational number, then that is a chord. For example, root 2 is a surd because it is irrational. Root cube 5 is a surd. Okay, but root cube 8 is not a surd. Getting the idea? Very clear? Now, if I say this is a surd, then this one is known as a simple surd. Simple or pure surd. If you include some impurities, then impurities means this is irrational number. If I add some rational number, okay, getting the idea? If I add some rational number, I get the compound surd. If I add a rational number, that means 3 plus root 2, it is a compound or mixed, not compound, it is mixed surd. And what is a compound surd? It is sum of 2 or more surds. Root 2 plus root 3, it is a compound surd. But 3 plus root 2 is a mixed surd. Okay? So, the standard form of a mixed surd is A plus N root B. Okay? Where N is your C, you may write C or K. A plus K root B. This is the standard design of a what type of surd? Mixed surd. Okay? Now, if A plus K root B is any surd, then its conjugate is A minus K root B. The conjugate of a surd, mixed surd, is obtained by just changing the sign of pure surd. Okay? जो pure surd है root B, if I change its sign, the new surd obtained is known as conjugate of the original surd. Okay? And when I add two surds, I get what surd? Compound surd. And when I add two surds, then it is a binomial. This is a surd and pure surd. This is a pure surd. This is a binomial surd. Getting the idea? Surds, they play a very important role in higher mathematics. Means in senior secondary mathematics for understanding purpose. Okay? Now, just a question. Can you tell me which is greater? Root 4 6 or root cube 5? How shall I find? How shall I compare these two? Which is greater? Very simple. This is 6 to the power 1 by 4 or not? This is 5 to the power 1 by 3 or not? Okay, make it 1 by 12. 6 to the power. Yes. 3 by 12 or not? It is 5 to the power. 4 by 12 or not? What this gives me? 6 cube whole to the power 1 by 12 or not? This is 5 to the power 4 whole to the power 1 by 12 or not? Just tell me now, which is greater? What is 6 cube? 2 and 6. What is 5 to the power 4? Yes. Yes, 500. 5 to the power 4. It is 25 into 6, 25. So, this is bigger. Getting the idea how to compare surds? Now, how to get square root of a surd? What is square root of? 6 plus 4 root 3. 7, I am taking 7. Plus 4 root 3. Yes. How shall I get its square root? Yes, this is I write. This is root 2 square. Getting the idea? Plus 2 root 3 square. A 1 square. 1 square plus 2 root 3 square plus 2 into 1 into 2 root 3. Any difficulties? So this is same as 1 plus 2 root 3. I did a mistake. Chalo, square root of once again 7 plus 4 root 3. Okay. Batao. How shall I get the square root of this? Yes. Shall I write? This is 2 square 4 plus root 3 square plus 2 into 2 into root 3. Any problem? This is 4 3 7 4 root 3. So it is 2 plus root 3. Am I right? Shall I write here plus minus? No. Forget. Getting the idea? Now, is it easy to input these things in our mind? Therefore, there is a best technique to get square root of a short. Let me write. The square root is 7 plus 4 root 3. The square root is a plus root b. Okay? Getting the idea? Now, here, or you may write a plus k root b. Then what is 7 plus 4 root 3? It is nothing but a square plus k square b plus 2ak root b. Now mark here. What is a square plus k square b? It is nothing but 7. And what is 2ak? It is 4. Okay. What is root b? Or you may write 2ak root b. It is how much? 4 root 3. So means ak root b. What it is? 2 root 3. Am I right? Now we have a square plus k square b means k root b ka square is 7. So I get the value of k root b. It is 2 root 3 by 2. Put there. A square plus 2 root 3 by a whole square is 7. This gives me, or you do a simple comparison. It is a simple comparison. A is 2, k root b is root 3. Means k is 1. Or ak is 2, b is 3. Okay? The root b is root 3. A root b, k is 1. It is simple. And if you want to calculate, then you shall get a from this place. यहीं से तो a निकल जाएगा. Okay? यहीं से a निकल जाएगा. I can do this by inspection. If I take a is 2, what happens? 4 plus 3, 7. Come finish. Don't take plus minus sign because we deal with the square root. The result is always positive. And it is easier if you don't take k here. If you write this as a plus root b, then it will be more easy. कैसे more easy? You shall get a square plus b is 7 and 2a root b is 4 root 3 or a root b is how much? 2 root 3. So a is 2, b is root 3. Very simple. Okay? And in our next class, we shall discuss many things on bridging the gap.